Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Porsche Cayenne, first generation, years 2002 to 2010. Now, we're making a video guys for the right height control fuses. Okay, you have two fuses that control the right height control. If you have the adjustable suspension, we'll show you guys where to find these fuses. We guys have more than 200 videos on Porsche Cayenne, so please subscribe guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. We found in our manual, okay, service manual, where those fuses are, because I read on the forums that many people don't know which fuses to check. So even though we do not have the right height control suspension on this thing, okay, we still can show you where the fuses are located. So let's do that now. In addition guys, we have more mechanical videos, probably more than 200 mechanical videos on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. Check them out guys, amazing channels, two of them. So, if you guys have the right height control, okay, you're going to know that you have that lever here, okay, but we're missing one of them. So, what we have to do now, come to the passenger side here, okay, let me show you now. Okay, you have one cover here now guys. Okay, this cover needs to come out because there is a fuse box underneath. You need a plastic panel remover too. Okay, and we're going to pop that thing open now. Okay, you can see you have 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips. We need to find fuse number 27 now guys. Fuse number 27 is supposed to be a 15 amp fuse. Okay. So it will be the first one on the bottom. Okay, right here. Okay, this is supposed to be right there. Fuse number 1 on the third row. Fuse number 1 from left to right. Okay, the next fuse that we need to check is fuse number, okay, in our case 48. Okay, this is a 10 amp fuse. 48, okay, will be the one on the very bottom. Okay, let me see exactly which one it is here. It will be the second fuse. Okay, okay, on this row now, here, fuse number 2. So this one will be a 10 amp fuse guys. You can see we're missing that one as well. So if you had the right height control suspension, the active suspension, check those fuses out. So hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.